Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So my name is Teen Paza, and for today's video, we'll be putting a viral TikTok blush hack to the test. So right now, I have no base or makeup on. I've only used this tint from Roman. It's their Glasting water tint. So this one is in the shade Chia Beige. It's part of their Hanbok project. And then for my face, I'm only using this COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence so that my skin will be prepped. And this VT Essence Sun Pact. So that's only what I'm wearing on my face today. Because we'll try the viral TikTok blush hack. So they start with putting red lipstick on the cheeks and then on this part of the forehead. So we'll try that. So for the red lip, I'll be using this Ramen Zero Velvet Tint in the shade Witty, number 5. It's a reddish, brownish shade. So wish me luck. So on the cheeks, then on the other side, and then here. And then we'll blend that out. Please what? It's not. I'll also be going over it to the cushion. Okay. So blending. And this. Okay, I think it works better with the cushion. So I'll blend it with that. And on the forehead. So now that my face is all red, we'll proceed with, well, the next step for that is contour. So I'll be using this from Bobbi Brown. Place it on pores. I will contour like this part of the forehead, the cheeks, jawline, and I saw in the TikTok video that they were doing it on the nose as well. We'll do that. After that, we'll go with concealer. So I'll be using this concealer from the Saem. It's in the shade 1.25. So on the nose, here. Well, on the TikTok videos they put here, so maybe we should. And then I'll blend that out. So I'll try it with the brush first. I'll try to go over it with the brush. Now that my face is all red, I think we're doing it correctly. I'll blend the contours first. Then the concealer. So for this part, I think I'll use a cushion puff. I must say, the coverage of this concealer, well, I only put a little amount. It's actually good. Then with what we usually use for base, so I'll be using this Mucin Perfect Cover BB Cream. It's really all over your face. I'll continue blending. I'll try to complete the look by doing highlighter. So using this Clio highlighter in the shade Gold Sheer. Now for this hack, um, I actually don't think it's that bad, but also I think this was something commonly used when with like multi-use makeup. An example would be the 3CE, like their multi-use spot. I don't think it looks that bad, but also I will still go for the usual makeup routine with doing base first before going over your face with the contour, the concealer, and well, I try to conceal before doing base, and then I do contour and then blush. But it's definitely something to do when you're running out of blush. I hope you guys liked it, and comment down below if you have other viral makeup hacks you want me to try next. And I hope to see you in my next vlogs. Bye!